I got a little black book with my poems in. Got a bag, the toothbrush and a comb in. When I'm a good dog, they sometimes throw me a bone in. I got elastic bands keeping my shoes on. Got the swollen hand blues. Got a 13 channels of shit on the TV to choose from. I got an electric light. I got second sight. Got amazing powers of observation. That's how I know. When I tried to get through on a telephone to you, there'd be nobody home. I got a glittery Hendrix spur and the inevitable pinholes all down in front of my favorite satin's shirt. I got nicotine stains on my fingers. I got a silver spoon on each shirt. Got a grand piano to prop up my mortal remains. I got a wild staring eyes. I got a strong urge to fly, but I got nowhere to fly to, fly to, fly to, fly to, fly to. Oh, babe, when I pick up the phone, there's still nobody home.